Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do caulking to your kitchen countertops. Before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, some items I have used. First of all, I am using a utility knife. The purpose is going to be to scratch and remove the existing caulking when you apply a new one. Second thing, when you select a sealant, make sure you get something that is specific to your purpose. Like for kitchen and bath, you need like specific one. Like I am using monosilicon max. You can see it's written here kitchen, bath and plumbing. I don't recommend using all purpose one for this one because these are like kitchen, bath, these are like high they are like high moisture watery area, so you need something specific that works for this purpose. Okay, so step number one, I'm gonna scratch. You can see it's coming out here. Okay, I'm gonna do it all the way. Then in step number two, I'm gonna clean it. And when you are doing it, make sure you do it before the surface is dry, okay, for proper adhesion. So after you clean it, like I cleaned the residues with wet wipes and cloth. Okay, make sure it is dried again. And next is to load this cartridge to your caulk gun. But before you do that, you need to make a cut here. So like it should be in 45 degrees, and don't make it too wide, because if you make it too wide, what's going to happen, it's going to come with a very thick layer, it's going to form here. So based on the gap that you have, you should make a small cut. So I'm going to do that. So in the next step, load this cartridge to your caulk gun, and then we are going to move around. This is a clear one, so based on the color preference, this was available in gray and white too, but I took the clear one. You can also put on gloves and something, because gloves, mask and these things to protect yourself if you are doing it for the first time, or it's always good to do even if you're doing it like 10th time. Ready to do, so you have to gently press and move it all the way to the direction you are going. Okay, and you have to maintain uniform pressure, okay, so that equal amount of the sealant falls out of the gun. After you are done with that, next step is to remove the excess one. Of course, you may need to clean or scrap it a bit later if you're doing for the first time. So what I have done, I have put on a gloves. I'm going to use my finger and I'm just going to gently press, okay, so that it goes smoothly, okay, and this way the sealant is going to work. So let me know guys what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.